How to find language settings on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find language settings on Instagram Lite. First then open Instagram Lite and then click on your profile, and here you will find these three lines. Click on it and then click settings, and here you will find account and then click language. And as you see here, you will find language settings on Instagram Lite, and here you can change it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.